Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's market updates. My name is Edmund. So over the last 24 hours, we saw that the US dollar actually weakened after having a 4-day bullish run. The US dollar finally broke through its bullish run at about 3 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time. So it broke through the trend line from 93.72 levels and went down all the way to 93.19 levels within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 7 hours. Okay, so the major move yesterday was the US dollar being bearish, and thus we do see the UK pound rising from 1.2923 levels all the way to a high of 1.3025 levels. So this was the levels that we were watching and targeting at about 1.3000 levels. Okay, so same story goes for the euro dollar. The euro dollar rose from 1.1703 all the way to a high of 1.1792, moving up 90 pips before having a mild retracement and currently settling at 1.1767 levels. Gold prices also managed to rise in the Asian and UK trading sessions, coming up at about 12 p.m. from 1,900 levels all the way to a high of 1,918, and then after it didn't manage to break through the resistance convincingly as it closed below 1,913 levels, and then after it went down to a low of 1,900 US dollars. So again, a very good start to the Monday as we observe the movements of the prices from last Thursday and Friday and continued by yesterday's movement, and currently it has broken through the short-term bullish trend line, and there's a chance that it can go down to test 1890 levels or even 1882 levels for gold prices. Okay, Dow Jones Industrial Average also weakened yesterday at about 7 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time. It dropped from 28,743 points all the way down to 28,138 points, and it managed to find good support on the 1 hour and also on the 4 hour horizontal support levels. Okay, so having a quick look at today's events, economic calendar wise, it is pretty empty. We had the Australian monetary policy meeting minutes this morning at 8:30 a.m. and this afternoon we'll be having the Switzerland's trade balance data, followed by the current account data from the Eurozone. Tonight's numbers for the housing market in the US, building permits and housing starts, will be released at 8:30 p.m. So far for the last 3 to 6 months, housing numbers have been very encouraging as the low interest rate environment in the US and globally has encouraged people to purchase new properties or even purchase sublet properties. Okay. Yesterday's Jerome Powell's speech just reiterated that the Federal Reserve will stay close to 0% in terms of the interest rate until inflation is above 2%. Okay, and just quick look again at the US dollar index over here, followed by the UK news, which went up in the Asian and UK trading sessions. However, again, it pulled back during the US trading sessions as the US dollar managed to recover some strength. Gold prices, again, over here, you can see clearly that it didn't close strongly above 1,913 levels, and then after it came back down to 1,900 levels. And of course, last but not least, the S&P 500 dropped back down to 28,180 levels together with the S&P and also the Nasdaq. So have a good trading day ahead. We'll see you again tomorrow for the next and latest market updates, and good trading today. Thank you.